When we're too aggressive and too enthusiastic, all right, that causes fight or flight. And fight or flight, if this was a bar and I walked up to somebody and I was like, yo, are you single? I want to get married. I'm single. My car's outside. In the real world, what they do is they either punch me in the face or they go tap the bouncer on the shoulder. The bouncer punches me on the face. Either way, I'm ending up in the parking lot with a black eye, okay? They can't punch us in the face on a sales call. Don't worry, guys, don't be freaked out. You're not gonna get beat up, even if you totally screw up your sales call. Nobody's gonna physically assault you. Hasn't happened to me ever. Okay, but here's what fight or flight means in a sales environment. Oh, I'm all good, I'm all set, you know, oh. Isn't that weird? They just happen to answer their phone, but they're walking into a meeting, right? Come on, they're lying to you. Because it's fight or flight, because our enthusiasm triggered that get away from me the same way it would at a nightclub. And when you're saying things like, you know, I'm not sure if it's for you, but here's what we're seeing in the industry. Here's what a few of our other physicians are seeing. And then I want to give you a couple tips on some other things that you can add to that. What I really like there is shifting over to a negative or a no-oriented question. You know, are you opposed to me sending something over so that you can review it when you have some time? Now all of a sudden, when you can avoid fight or flight, there's only a third option, and that third option is what? It's curiosity. It causes them to lean in. It causes them to go, you know, Alex, I would like to know a little bit more about this. Perfect. Are you opposed to us setting up maybe just a 10-minute Zoom call where I can learn a little bit more about your current situation and see if we're even able to help you?